Okay, so hello once again. So I'll be asa man ang drawing ani? I'll be anuhin your mga be plotting your periodic table. So example, so we have your sa group 1 at mnemonics, 'di ba? Hali na kay Ruby kasama CS din na session kasama Frank. Next one is your group 2A, that is beer mugs can serve bar rats. Rats. Then next, dito sa family A sa ata. So this is your boron, carbon, your nitrogen, your nitrogens, your carbon group or crystallogens, your oxygen, and your fluorine na group. Then we have your helium dire. So boron is Big Al gave incomplete totals. Next is your carbon group, di ba? Na ato nimo next is sige san pa ba. Ang ato ada yung mnemonics for your nitrogen na group is no pas sabi B. Your oxygen is os se te po. Your fluorine is Fat Clyde, Bribe, Innocent, Ate. Then your group 8A would be your he never arrived, Karen exited Ron. So memorize na to ang whole family A. Now let's go to your transition elements, your family B. So una ta sa 1B. Your 1B is your coinage metal. So obviously si copper, si silver, o si gold. Now let's go to your group 2B. That's your mnemonics, remember, di ba? Si zinc, 2 cold hugs. Next is your group 3B. That's your lanthanide and actinide series. So we have your scandium and your yttrium. Next is your 4B. That is Tita, Zara, half. Next is your 5B. So your vanadium group, obviously si vanadium, virgin, naba, ta. Then your group 6B. That is your man, tek, re. Diba? So, memorize na nato hapit. Then, your group 7B. So, we have your fe, ko, wait lang, class. Natay kulang. Wait lang, recheck na ako. Marag natay kulang. Dili pa taman tek re. Sayop siya. 6 pa man data. B is your chromium group. 6B is your chromium group there, sorry. So that's your CR mo. Again, 6 ka babae sige panguta na CR mo. Then I had then tanagman tek re. Then your fe ko ni, and then your ru ra pad, and your sakto ba to? Yeah, sakto. Then your os or pit. So na-plot na to ang whole periodic table. So I'll be giving you this copy. No, last year pa man din ako nga so that you can practice plotting your periodic table. And napod ko yung mga exercises diri wherein mag-provide ka sa element name o vice versa. So naa diri ang answer key, diri nga side, and naa diri ang inyong ansiran. Again, I won't be checking this. This is for your own consumption. Depende na sa inyo kung inyong praktisan or dili. Kung dili, then it's not my loss. Kung inyong praktisan, then mas maayo. So if wala na questions, that ends the If you have any questions, PM me via Google Chat. So kung wala na, that ends the discussion. Thank you.